We were gundis in our
Quite
day.
the gundis.
Hi everyone! Today we're here and we're not going to talk about finance.
Yes.
Nothing boring at all.
We're going to answer some fun questions so you guys can get to know us a little better.
So tell us your favorite memory together.
For me, I think it has to be this time that we had taken a trip to Shimla with our moms and we decided to go rafting. So Siley and me are on this raft, it's freezing and we decided to jump into the water.
The guys told us to jump.
They told us, they said you can jump into the water and both of us have like literally jumped and we're like floating along with the river.
Yeah.
And I think that was a really cool, fun memory.
That was fun. I have another memory. Woi trip pe, we
Oh
I
God.
don't know. Okay, so you know this. You know what I'm talking about. So we have decided कि dinner हमारा हो चुका था उस दिन. Okay, and it was really ठंडा. And we're like, fine. There's this some molten brownie or I don't know what.
Some molten chocolate cake.
So basically, there's this cake, and then you bite into it, and there's like chocolate
Chocolate
oozing out of it.
oozing.
We had like 5-6 of them.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
New York City.
London.
Yeah.
I think we both studied. She studied in New York, I studied in London, so both of us have like a soft spot for these cities.
And how many years has it been since you all know each other?
Don't ask these questions. Nah, then everybody will think we're so old. Because we know each other for 20
20 years.
Okay, this one. How long does it take you guys to get ready in the morning?
5 minutes.
Yeah. I think both of us are really quick. I don't take like more than 15 minutes in total.
What are your thoughts on pineapple on pizza?
No!
No. It's an abomination. You cannot do it. No pineapple on pizza. No
Never.
Hawaiian pizza. No, never.
If your pet could talk, what would be his or her catchphrase?
My pet Simba, love him. His catchphrase would definitely be "Khana do." He is always
He's
hungry.
perpetually hungry. I agree with Siley.
Perpetually hungry.
If you're sitting on the dining table and you're like just eating, he will come like right here and put his face
On your lap.
on your lap and just be like, give me some food please.
And he pretends like he's not been fed for decades. मतलब खाना खाने के 5 मिनट बाद भी पहुंच जाता है कि और थोड़ा है क्या दे दो प्लीज.
What is the funniest place you've ever fallen asleep?
वैसे तो I can sleep anywhere, like in the car, on the flight.
Even I sleep anyway. I'm like a baby. If a vehicle is moving, I will pass out.
Yeah, same.
It's like being rocked to sleep.
Mood. What's your favorite song to jam on together?
Oh,
That's like a different video altogether we need for that. I
Yeah,
think.
there are multiple songs which take us back to like Siley's home,
Oh yeah.
where
we
she used to have this CD player.
You know those
and-
round disc players? Again, we sound so old.
Yeah,
but
but no,
it's
we
true.
used to listen to those CDs
Yeah.
and we used to jam. And I
Like-
think the one that I remember us jamming on the most is Skater Boy by Avril Lavigne. Skater
Boy, see you later, boy. He wasn't good enough. We were doing this like yesterday in
yeah,
office
we literally
also.
were doing this yesterday in office also.
Yeah, this is what really happens at office, guys. We jam to songs.
So, what is your guilty pleasure?
I mean, I'm not really guilty about it, but I love chips.
Yeah.
Like any sort of potato chip.
Fries, potato chips,
Potato.
fried potato in any form is Siley's guilty
I
pleasure.
think I am 70% batata.
Biggest fear or pet peeve?
Chipkali, bro.
Oh yeah.
Can't.
Oh, anything that
Can't
crawls,
handle,
cockroach,
can't handle
chipkali.
this. Oh, and flying cockroaches. Oh, my
my
god, they freak me out.
Yeah.
Like I'm just like getting jittery even talking about it.
Look behind me.
No!
What's your favorite or ideal way to spend a day off?
Netflix and chill, guys. That's it. Just be in bed all day, watch mindless stuff on the television.
It's so like underrated being able to be horizontal and not move.
For the entire day.
How do you take your coffee?
Black. Actually, Nidhi got me into coffee. So I didn't drink coffee till about 8 months ago.
Yeah.
and I have gone from 0 to 100 days. So from no coffee, no chai to direct
Just
black
drinking
coffee.
black coffee.
And every day at 4 o'clock, madam used to come with a tray with 2 cups and 2 black coffee. Like, Tego nahi pina, it's fine.
I'll have the second
Yeah,
cup.
I'll have the second one also, no problem.
What would be the first thing you'd do if you won the lottery?
Invest
Best
the
it on, make more money on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Probably invest a large part of it. Let me be honest.
Yeah. We'll do some kharcha also.
Kharcha, yeah, like some nice fun shopping, but also
Lots of
invest
shopping.
a lot.
Do you believe in having a 5-year plan?
Yes and no.
Yeah.
We believe in having a plan, but
Yeah.
we believe that plans change also.
Yeah,
And
they're
along
not
the way,
set in stone.
yeah, and along the way, if they need adjustment,
How do you separate your work life from your home life?
it's very murky.
Yeah.
It's messy and muddled.
Especially when you're like, running your own business and stuff. Sometimes there's like a lot of overlap between work life and home life, but
We can take chutti whenever we
yeah,
want.
that's the
great.
best part. We can take chutti whenever we like.
Yeah, but
Without having to apply for leaves and worrying कि boss approve करेगा कि नहीं.
But at the same time, it's also like I read this on one of the I think influencers ka some story. Like I quit my 9 to 5 job so I could work 24/7 for myself. It's like
How do you motivate yourself or what inspires you?
okay, those are 2 questions. What motivates us, I think, is ourselves.
Each other
Yeah.
and ourselves.
Yeah, because
like there are days when like
Yeah.
I'll be like I don't want to do anything.
Yeah, and then I'm
nothing's
like,
going
come on,
right, and
Niyati,
then
you
like,
must.
come on.
and then some days I'm just like I
Can't.
cannot, and then Niyati's like, nahi, chalo, how like this?
Yeah.
What inspires us, I think, from the beginning, our moms have always been inspiration in life. They do so much
They do.
and so elegantly. We don't do it as elegantly at all. We are quite messy in our handling of things.
That's it from us today, guys. Hope you guys had fun getting to know us a little better.
And we'll be back every single week answering some questions. So why don't you do one thing? Tell us in the comments what you'd like to know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Come on. Thank you.